Smooth talk, mastering assimilation in English. Hello there, language learners. Welcome to a new chapter of our English pronunciation journey. Today, we're diving deep into the world of assimilation, a crucial part of mastering the English language. Let's unravel the secrets of connected speech and make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, what exactly is assimilation? Assimilation is a phonetic process where a sound changes to become more like a neighboring sound. This often happens when we're speaking quickly in casual or colloquial conversation. This makes speech flow more smoothly and rapidly. An example of this is the phrase, 10 boys. When spoken quickly, the N and B sounds can blend, causing the N to sound more like a M, resulting in it sounding like 10 boys. There are mainly two types of assimilation, progressive and regressive. Progressive assimilation happens when a sound is influenced by the sound that precedes it. For example, in the phrase, good day, the D in day may sound more like a G, leading to something that sounds more like goo gay. In regressive assimilation, a sound is influenced by the sound that comes after it. For example, in the phrase, green apples, the N in green may sound more like a M because of the A that follows, leading to something that sounds like green apples. Why should you care about assimilation? Because understanding and mastering assimilation will improve your comprehension of spoken English, especially in casual or rapid speech. It also makes your own English speech sound more natural and fluent, helping you blend in with native speakers. The best way to get the hang of assimilation is by practicing. Let's dive into some phrases you can practice with. 1. Handbag sounds like handbag. 2. Good boy sounds like goo boy. 3. 10 cars sounds like 10 cars. Practice these phrases, paying attention to how the sounds blend together. Remember, it's all about smooth, natural speech. And there we have it, folks. A brief but hopefully helpful dive into the world of assimilation. It might seem challenging at first, but with practice, you'll begin to recognize and use assimilation just like a native speaker. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep speaking English. You're doing great. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. See you in our next video. Happy learning!